Greetings and welcome to the Swedish countryside. Do you belong to one of those that enjoys a daily pick-me-up? Because if you do, let me introduce the Swedish art of fika. And if you don't know what fika is, it's simply when you pour a cup of coffee, take a moment for yourself, enjoy it, perhaps with something sweet. You can enjoy it by yourself or with family or friends. Today I'm visiting my family here in Sweden and we are going to do something special. We are going to bake and make a garden fika. If you're new here, my name is Jonas. And together with my wife, Lindsay, we are It's a Charming Life. So please pour yourself something cozy and enjoy our garden fika. I'm standing here with a special person. This is my stunt double, and his name is Emil. He's my real brother, my real twin brother actually. And boy, do we have a lot of fun.
Yeah, always.
Yeah.
Like we're doing a lot of crazy things and just goofing around.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
But I also think that our kind of fun might seem a little boring for some of you, because we do enjoy slow things. We like a good cup of coffee that takes forever. Just sit and talk and savor the good stuff in life.
Yeah, you know, you have coffee and watch the sun goes down in the horizon.
Boy, is that a thrill or what?
Yeah, perfect.
Yeah. So what do you think of homemade fika? What make it special for you?
You know, I think it's like a time or maybe an excuse some days to just sit down and relax a little bit and catch your thoughts and share some thoughts and just to hang out.
Boy, do I like this guy. It's kind of like a dopamine kick for me personally. See the coffee pouring, the sound it makes.
Yeah,
you know,
and the smell.
The smell. Don't forget the smell.
Yeah.
So do you have to have a big family to do this?
No, I mean you can just pour a cup of coffee to yourself and enjoy it in silence, and you can be like the whole family gathering, put some new baked cookies on the table and just hang out.
It seems to me that this concept cannot be too big or too small.
No, I mean it's. The best thing is that it's also universal. I think everyone knows that language actually. There's nothing that a coffee can't solve actually.
Exactly. And we hope that you can enjoy this concept by yourself. And if you're not used to this concept, take small steps. You have time. You have time to master this concept. It took me years to perfect it for myself.
And you know what? There's always time for a refill.
What do you say? Should we go have a refill?
Yeah.
Finally. Welcome inside my twin brother's home, where I have a special guest waiting in the kitchen, who is going to be my baking buddy this afternoon. Hejsan, välkommen! Vi sitter här i sommarköket och vi ska baka lite kakor tänkte vi. För det är det som är så trevligt under sommaren, att kunna baka hembakat och sen gå ut i trädgården och fika. Och med mig har jag Linnea, min tvillingsbrors dotter.
Hej!
Vad tycker du vi ska baka?
Jag vet inte. Någonting gott och somrigt. Men
Ja. Den här boken är nog en av de mest ikoniska böckerna i det svenska köket skulle jag säga. När det kommer till kakor och sånt. Det heter 7 sorters kakor, men jag kan garantera att det finns fler än 7 sorters recept här. Det finns hundratals. Ja, har du sett den här? After browsing through all the wonderful recipes with my lovely niece Linnea, we decide to go for a real classic. This delicacy has many names in the world. Some call it Swiss roll and others jelly roll. But in Sweden we call it rulltårta, which translates roll cake, and it is a great choice for a day like this, when the harvest is soon upon us, and we want to enjoy what nature has given us. The recipe book in this video is called 7 sorters kakor, which translates to 7 sorts of cookies, which some say is the proper amount of pastries to offer your guests. But it doesn't have to be 7, because then we would still be baking even after the guests went home. It was first published in 1945 and has since then become Sweden's best-selling cookbook of all time, featuring a great selection of nearly 300 recipes that all work perfectly for a traditional coffee break, fika. While we wait for the cake to bake, I can recommend that you join us on Patreon, where our Fika friends and up get access to an entire catalog of our favorite recipes, including some of my favorite Swedish ones that I have converted into English. We are so thankful for all of you who help us build our cozy cottage community online, and we can't wait to have you in it too, because you belong there. As a baker, do you have this problem too? When you find your dream recipe site online but are bombarded with suspicious pop-ups and ads. You simply just want to save some good recipes to your device, but are not sure if it's safe or not. This could be a recipe for disaster, but for us, since this video is created in collaboration with NordVPN, this problem is solved. We are talking a built-in next-gen antivirus, along with scam protection, phishing protection, tracker and ad blocking, with even more features in the NordVPN app, depending on your device and the plan you choose. By combining multiple useful cybersecurity features into one subscription, this is the all-in-one digital security app that makes me feel more relaxed so that I can focus on what I love the most. Since we travel a lot visiting family overseas, we no longer have to worry about limited access to paid online subscriptions. We simply connect to a NordVPN server and keep the same access. It makes enjoying the time away so much easier. We wish that traveling from country to country was as easy. So why don't you upgrade your online protection today? It is a perfect time to try it for yourself with an exclusive deal with the NordVPN 2-year plan, plus 4 months extra with our link nordvpn.com/charminglife. It is risk-free with 30-day money-back guarantee, so thank you NordVPN for bringing peace of mind to our life. And now let's finish up this cake. In Swedish culture, berry picking is a very important tradition. In the late summer, Swedes harvesting red currant and raspberries from their own garden, or foraging for wild blueberries and lingonberries that most commonly grow in the northern forests. For this recipe we decided to use homemade blueberry jam. Jam making is something of a time capsule, since it's extending the wonderful flavors far into winter, and even until the next year to come. But one of the best things with berries though, is to enjoy them fresh directly from the stem. That is what is making our garden fika so special. So please join us for a cozy family fika time. Oh, how lovely it is to just stand and stare straight out in the dusk, feeling the satisfaction of memories made after today's garden fika. This is when I sense for the first time that summer is not alone anymore. Harvest season is here too, and it inspires me to take some swings with the reaper. It is a little harder and takes more time than modern amenities would, but this is what calms me down, and I become one with the whispering sunset as early autumn arrives. Days like these are precious. Perhaps because they are instant moments that pass as quickly as they came. And this is when we must say goodbye for now to our family in Sweden. And remember the memories we created. Please do let us know in the comments below what memories you have created this harvest season. Thank you for watching and bye for now. Hej då!